So the Solo stove is a great addition to our camping inventory. And in this particular shot, we're going to be checking out what came first, the chicken or the egg. And within the context of the video, you'll actually find that neither came first, something else did. But regardless, the way we do the meal is we go ahead, get our Solo stove and the cast iron griddle that goes with it, and then some of the accoutrements that go with the Solo stove. And super important are the gloves. Those gloves are a big part of cooking with the Solo stove. They fire up straight away, super easy. Put the bits on and on goes the griddle. And actually, yes, as you just saw there, love does come first. Anyway, we fill the kettle and we're not making tea. We've got 2 or 3 eggs in there, and that's going to be for breakfast. So they boil away. Obviously you can see Penny keeping an eye on things. Then after we've boiled the eggs for a few minutes, then on goes the chicken. Cover it with there's a special word for that pan, and I think it's from Mexico, and they make rice dishes in it. But anyway, so on goes the chicken, and we've got some sweet corn that's been under there as well. And within minutes, you have a fully prepared meal, and that took care of the evening dish. And then in the morning, Claire, and I guess I will one day learn how to do this, puts together these amazing egg and bacon sandwiches. And so here she is, getting the eggs from the previous evening. We do cheat a little, and the bacon has been pre-cooked and pre-prepared, but making good use of the cover over the stove in the galley. She's using that as a cutting surface to prepare a delicious bacon, egg, and tomato sandwich. And of course, for me anyway, one of the key ingredients to all of this is a bit of the hot sauce. And I've got to tell you, every morning it's delicious.